Hello everyone. Today I will show you one of the easiest Gmail trick, drag and drop. This will basically save your time. Also, I will show you the difference between normal attachment and drag and drop. So let's start. When composing email, let me show you how you can attach a file. Need to navigate to that folder and attach the file. Let me drag same file to the compose window. You can see it is attaching the file. Even you can attach multiple files using drag and drop. So next I will show you attaching the image. When you attach an image, it will appear as a normal attachment. You can see here. While drag and drop, it will display inline. So this is one of the great when you want receiver to see the image immediately instead of download it. This is really helpful. So next, come to the save attachment. Drag and drop works both way actually. So you can simply drag and drop attachment to your desktop instead of download it manually. Let me show you next tip of drag and drop is attachment of email. So Gmail also allows you to drag and drop email into the new message. So click on the email which one you want to attach and drag it into the compose window. It attached as .eml file. Now you know how to save time with drag and drop in Gmail. If this video tip helped you, please like the video, comment below and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.